Look at my feet.
Yeah. No, we're playing. We're doing something out there. They're probably hauling the motorhome away.
See, call Casey.
Look at Casey smiling.
Say hi, Casey.
I feel her teeth.
Yeah, you can feel his teeth.
We didn't brush his teeth.
Yeah, we can brush. Maybe today we'll brush his teeth.
There you go. Take it.
Give him kisses. Aw, see?
Just take it. There's delay in it.
Well, no, I'm taking video in it.
Oh.
Aw, look at that boy.
Easy boy.
And then there's Jill.
She was the goodest.
She's the goodest.
She's a sweet girl, huh? Yeah, they all are.
Yeah.